Hi, I'm Belinda Sawyer with REMAX Capital Properties. Have you ever thought about flipping a home? Here are some things to consider. Networking. Before you start, it's a good idea to network with others who have flipped homes before. This includes possibly your real estate agent. Secure funding. You'll want to talk with a local bank or credit union who can talk with you about the options that are available to you. You won't be taking out a normal mortgage if you're going to flip and sell. Analyze the sale price. This will include having your vision in mind, possibly meeting with the contractor to estimate your costs to remodel the property. This will help you decide what the best offer price is. Prioritize what items are the most important, and that will give you the greatest return on your investment. You may have room to do some extras or upgrades. It may be the difference between quartz versus marble. Overall, the ROI or return on investment is the bottom line. Other expenses you may not think of: insurance, utilities, selling costs, which include commissions, cleaning, staging, photography, management costs, which is your general contractor or construction manager, accrued interest, and an uh-oh fund, because we all know that you can go over budget. Call me today and I can help you answer all your questions.